Hey, are you coming home now?
Yes, I'm almost there. Why?
Nothing, just come quickly.
Hmm, you sound strange.
No, everything is normal.
Okay, I'm at the door now.
Great, open it.
Why are the lights off?
Just come in.
Hello? It's so dark.
All surprise!
Ah! You scared me. Happy birthday!
Oh, wow, I didn't expect this. Did we surprise you?
Yes! My heart is still fast.
Sorry for the scare.
No, I love it.
Are you happy?
I am very happy.
That's what we wanted.
You made my days special.
Who did you think planned this? I had no idea. We all planned it together. That is so sweet. Do you like the music? Yes, it's my favorite song. We know your taste. You know me so well. Look at the table. Wow, so much food. Your favorite snacks are here. This is amazing. Are you hungry? Yes, a little. Let's eat after cake. Okay, I can wait. Ready for the cake? Yes, I'm excited. Come here. This cake looks beautiful. Make a wish. I'm thinking. Don't tell us. Okay, it's a secret. Blow the candles. Done. All happy birthday. Thank you so much. How do you feel now? I feel loved and happy. That's nice to hear. I was feeling a little sad today. Really? Why? I thought no one remembered. Oh no, we planned everything. This means a lot to me. We will always remember you. Thank you, my dear friends. Let's take a group photo. Yes, come close, everyone. Smile. Big smile. Do you want to dance? Yes, let's dance. Turn up the music. I feel so excited now. This is your special night. Yes, and I will enjoy every moment. Good. Thank you again for this surprise. You're welcome. I will never forget this day. Are you ready to cut the cake? Yes, I'm so excited. Wait, let's sing first. Okay, I'm smiling already. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. This feels so special. Now cut the cake. Okay, here I go. Careful. Haha, I got it. First piece is for you. Thank you. It looks delicious. Try it. It's so good. Do you like it? I love it. I'm happy you like it. Who made this cake? We ordered it for you. Great choice. Now give cake to everyone. Yes, of course. Don't forget me. Never. Thank you for the cake.
You're welcome.
Do you want to open gifts now?
Yes, I'm curious.
Okay, this one is from me.
Wow, thank you.
Open it.
Let me see. Oh, wow.
Do you like it?
I love it so much.
I'm glad. You know my taste. This one is from all of us.
Really? That's so sweet.
Open it slowly.
Okay. Oh my God.
What is it?
It's beautiful. I'm so happy.
We're happy too.
I feel so lucky today.
You deserve all this love. Let's play some music. Yes, I want to dance. Come on, join us. I'm coming. Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, I'm having so much fun.
That's great.
I will remember this day forever.
That makes us happy.
Thank you for everything.
You're always welcome. Let's take one more photo.
Yes, one last picture.
Smile again.
Big smile.
Happy birthday once again.
Thank you. Best day ever.
Good morning. Good morning. I feel sleepy. Same here. Last night was amazing. Did you sleep well? Yes, but I woke up late. Me too. I still feel so happy. Really? Yes, I can't stop smiling. That's so nice. Thank you for the surprise. You're welcome. I didn't expect anything. That was the plan. You surprised me so much. What was your favorite moment? When you all said surprise. Your face was funny. I know, I was shocked. Did you like the cake? Yes, it was delicious. Good. I also loved the gifts. Which one did you like most? The pink gift box. I gave that. Really? Thank you so much. I'm happy you liked it. I will use it every day. Are you tired now? A little, but I feel fresh too. That's good. My room is still messy. Same here, balloons everywhere. Yes. Will you clean today? Yes, slowly. Don't rush. I want to see the photos. I have many pictures. Send them to me. I will send them now. Wow, these photos are beautiful. You look so happy. I really was. Are you free today? Yes, I have no plans. Let's relax then. Good idea. Maybe we can watch a movie. Yes, something light and fun. Perfect. Thank you again for everything. You don't need to say thank you. But I feel grateful. We are always here for you. That means a lot to me. Yesterday was special. Yes, one of the best days. Let's make more memories. Yes, together always. Okay, go freshen up now. Yes, I need coffee first. Same here. See you soon. See you. Take care.